crafting Vicky here with you, and I wanted to share with you the disaster that my house looks like right now. So we're in my kitchen, and this is a disaster. And here is Charlie. Charlie. Here's Charlie, and here's Lucky. Lucky. Hey. Hey, Gassa. Oui. On ne voit pas, chérie. Yeah. So that's Lucky. And this is my Charlie. And right now my husband is getting ready to for the work that needs to be done, because he needs to sand the floor that's here right now. And I'm trying not to give you guys like not to make you feel sick. So this is my living room right now. You can see everything has been put in there. So it's really a disaster area right now. And yeah, so it's been hard, it's been challenging, and I'm very much looking forward to having a house that comes back together. Want to say hi?
Hi.
And here's my wonderful hubby that's doing all this work. So yeah, bye everyone.